I am a fairy of the garden variety, which is not an easy thing to be in civilized society. It's challenging to fully flower when no one thinks you're real, and harder still to fit right in when you've two wings you must conceal. I had at first believed that all perceived exactly as I did, which is a natural assumption that one makes when one's a kid. But most especially when the adult world refers to birds and bees, to introduce a child to nature's most delicious mysteries and to explain the way new branches grow on people's family trees. Well, I'd always known each leaf and stone had stories they could tell, and that the trees speak through the breeze just as the seas speak through a shell, because I share some roots with trees. I read their dancing leaves with ease and even sing with nightingales. My sisters call me Philomela. Just as the hummingbirds search flowers to find the lyrics to their song, so I would tune myself to crickets and go chirping all day long. For this was simply second nature, and I thought it what they meant. Can you imagine my amazement when I found out that they didn't? Well, I simply couldn't fathom how I'd gotten to this place, since my entire frame of reference comes from such a different space. I thought perhaps that I had wandered through the looking glass and pondered how to find my way outside this box of metaphor and paradox, for I'd come through an upside down town to the king and queen of backward land. I spoke a foreign language which they had to twist to understand. The king was sowing sorrow, and the queen was reaping grief. I held my dreams, but lost my way, confused beyond belief. How ossified the king in patriarchal misconceptions, and how brilliant was the queen in monumental self-deceptions. And I wish that I could say that they were singular exceptions, but they were the rule, as I know you'll confirm with your reflections.